Honor to our honorable Board of Directors, to our dearest school principal, Miss Virginia P. Guanzon, to our distinguished guests, to our wonderful dedicated teacher, to our beloved parents, co-completers, and friends. Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to all of you.
Lakasan ng boses.
In behalf of kindergarten completers in this academic year 2023-2024, I would like to thank you all for coming here today to celebrate our memorable event. It feels like just yesterday we were learning our ABCs, and now here we are, ready to take on the big world of elementary school. To our
Thank you. Thank you.
thank you to our one
Amazing.
thank you to our amazing teachers who have taught us so much more than just numbers and colors. Thank you for your patient kindness and for always making learning fun. We can't do it. We can't have done it without you. For all, to all moms and dads out there, thank you for your endless love and support. To my mommy and daddy, thank you for always giving me inspiration. To my fellow graduates, I am so proud. To all of us, we have made so many memories together. We will have this special moment to look back on. Pang number 7.
As
We get ready to say goodbye to kindergarten and hello to first grade. Let's remember to be kind and always do our best. Tama?
remember to always be kind.
Remember to always be kind. And,
To always.
huh?
To always.
To always try our best and
Tama.
never stop dreaming big, because who knows, maybe one day will change.
The world.
Congratulations, class of 2023
2024.
2024.
Congratulations,
Congratulations, class of 2024. There is no one to praise more than just God.
Mali. There is
no one to praise more than God. We did it.
Okay. More practice pa ha para ma-perfect mo.
Opo. Opo.
Try lang ha, magbasa-basa ka kanito. Basa-basahin mo para maano mo ha.
Opo.
Very good man pala yan. Pag na perfect na ha. Kahapon lang yan kasi sinaulo lang. Isang araw lang nasa ulo niya lahat. Pero hindi pa perfect. Pero mag-practice lang baby, no? Para ma-perfect.
Opo.
Bye-bye na.
Bye-bye!